If you've always dreamed of being a psychologist, then a psychology major is the obvious place for you to start your journey. But even if you haven't always dreamed of being a psychologist and you end up in a different career, psychology is a great place to get the skills, experience, and knowledge you need to do well in the workplace and in your life. All employers like the skills, they want the skills that psychology majors bring to a job. First of all, psychology majors know how to work well with people. They know the skills that enable them to lead well. They are able to use data and evidence to make decisions. They're able to work well in teams, to think critically, and to communicate effectively. Outside of the workplace, psychology is also a great major for learning how to live your best life. Psychology teaches you emotional and social intelligence. It teaches you how to get along well with other people and how to understand people. It teaches you about human development and mental health. Finally, if you're interested in a career in psychology, our major does a great job of preparing you for graduate school. We offer lots of opportunities for practical experience, such as community-based learning, field trips, and opportunities to do research in psychology. We also offer a wide range of courses in psychology in the field so that you can make the decision that's right for you about which area of psychology you'd like to specialize in. Come join us in the psychology department.